Hi guys, today we're going to see how to print permutations of a string and a list. So permutations are the ways of arranging a set. So first of all, we will import a library called a module called iter tools. Then from iter tools, we will import permutations. Now let's define a list 1, 2, 3. Now we want the permutations of this list 1, 2, 3. So we will create another list. For example, A equal to list and then type permutations of Y. So now print A. So the permutations of the list Y, that is 1, 2, and 3, are stored in list A. So let's print A. Sorry, let's run the command. And as you can see, the permutations of 1, 2, 3 are printed here. Now, if I uh, amend the list, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I run the program, as you can see, there are so many permutations for the 4 digits. Now, if we want permutations of a string, we can we can define another list. For example, words is equal to, we open two we write two quotes which are blank, then uh, full stop, join, and in brackets any variable you want, for example t, for t in permutations, and here we put the word, for example dog. Now what this line does is uh, it gets all the permutations of the word dogs and then puts it in the blank quotes over here. And after all the permutations, we finally get a list which contains all the permutations. So let's print words. Let's run the command. As you can see, we have all the permutations of the word dog. So this is how we can print permutations of a number. Thank you, of a number, a list, or a string. Thank you for watching. Take care.